Hey guys, it's Peter here one more time, and before you head off to the members area, I'd just like to show you one more thing. This is really going to take your business to a whole new level, and it can even set you up for your own six-figure video creation business. You see, there is huge opportunity in selling videos to others, selling them to both online and offline businesses and others that need video done. You have the awesome software now, and now you have the power to sell these videos. There are so many businesses out there that don't use video marketing, and they really are missing out big time. And it's mostly for the same old reason. Video is expensive, it takes time to make, and there's no real alternative to get around this. Well, no longer, because we've put together an additional set of scenes and a special training guide focused on selling videos and really making a huge profit with VideoProfitFX. You see, even selling a video for as low as $97 to a local business or just about any business out there that needs it is a very conservative and low price. But the thing is, just think if you can sell 10 videos, 20 videos, 100 videos. It's a huge business opportunity, and it's an incredible bargain for those businesses. I mean, you can easily charge a lot more, but at that price, what business in their right mind wouldn't want a video? Because to them, that's something that's of so much value, and they're probably thinking it's going to take you a lot of time and energy to create that. The best part? Well, it just takes you a few minutes to make and customize these videos in VideoProfitFX. And bam, just like that, a $97 video that your client will absolutely love. So really, the sky is the limit here. This is what we're going to go through here with this special VideoProfitFX course that's going to teach you exactly how to sell these videos to businesses. And it also includes an additional set of 50 scenes that you can also preview below. These are suited for many types of businesses and markets. But that's not all. We have a special software that we're also going to give you with VideoProfitFX. This software, it finds these businesses for you. It finds the businesses that don't have video, that don't have a YouTube channel, and it lets you email and contact them straight in the software. I mean, just think about how much time this is going to save you and the amount of opportunities this will give you. So again, guys, this is a special one-time offer that will only be shown to you once, and it's something that's going to give you even more possibility to VideoProfitFX and of course greater profit opportunity. This is a professionally designed course. It adds another 50 incredible scenes to the software that are suitable for so many businesses, and of course includes our special software that finds businesses that need video, that don't have a YouTube channel, and it finds all their contact information right away. It's remarkably fast, and it's going to make your life that much easier and get you that many more people interested in having a video made. This is a proven system, and we've made it so easy that anybody can do it. So I really hope to see you on the inside of VideoProfitFX.